Okay, I'll see you at Monday. I'm traveling to Mexico on summer. Oh, the office is in 5th Street.
Not sure when to use the prepositions at, on, and in for time and place? Then let me introduce you to the preposition pyramid.
This preposition pyramid could change your life for the better. So, let us explain how it works.
And stick around till the end. We'll have a short quiz so you can test what you've learned.
Let's start with time. In general, use in for longer periods of time, on for specific days or dates, and at for moments or hours. Look at all the ways the pyramid will help you. You can use in for
weeks. I've learned a lot in the 4 weeks I followed Breathe English.
Months. My birthday is in April.
Seasons. I go on vacation in summer.
Years. She graduated in 2014.
Decades. The music was great in the 70s.
Centuries. I'm studying Europe in the 19th century.
Eras. Nights were common in the Middle Ages. See how in is for big time periods?
As we go up the pyramid, we start talking about more specific time. Use on for
days of the week. I have a test on Friday. We went to the park on Sunday.
Specific days. He was so excited on his birthday. We went dancing on New Year's Eve.
Dates. I leave for New York on May 5th.
Weekends. If you're American, what do you like to do on the weekends? Or if you're British, you can say at the weekend. What do you like to do at the weekend?
Continuing our climb up the pyramid, we have at, used for specific hours or moments. For example,
at 10 o'clock.
At midnight.
At noon.
At the moment.
At lunchtime.
At night.
Oh, at the morning and at the afternoon. Oh, be careful there. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. But why? That's English for you. That's why the preposition pyramid is trusted by teachers to stop you from using perfectly logical yet incorrect prepositions.
Are you convinced that the preposition pyramid is right for you? I thought so. But wait, there's more. Do you know which preposition goes here? Or here? Or here?
I think I know which.
Didn't think so.
Let the pyramid work for you. The same idea goes for location. You can use in for broad locations, on for more specific locations, and at for very specific locations. Let's look at some examples. Yes, in can be used for
cities and towns. I grew up in Portland.
Countries. I was born in the US, but I live in Spain.
North, east, south, and west. The food is spicier in the south. Our house is in the north part of town.
Moving on up the pyramid, we have on, which is for more specific places. On is for streets and avenues. The office is on 5th Street. My gym is on Dolly Avenue.
Corners. The cafe is on the corner of 15th Street and Finca Avenue.
floors. My apartment is on the 4th floor.
And we've got one more. Use at for very specific locations, like
Work. I'm at work until 5 p.m.
school. I left my books at school.
Home. He's still at home.
Specific places. Is she at the store? I'll pick you up at the airport.
Addresses. We are located at 554 2nd Street. Okay, you convinced me. I need this prepositions pyramid, but how much is it?
It's completely free, and it includes a worksheet to help you practice. Download it from our website, link in the description, or here.
But don't take her word for it. Try yourself with this mini quiz. For each sentence, decide if you should use in, on, or at.
How'd you do? If you want more practice, go download our pyramid and worksheet.
Ask your teacher if the prepositions of time and place pyramid is right for you. Side effects may include feeling confident about when to use in, on, and at, a desire to share this simple system with other English learners, and being better at speaking English.
Remember, this pyramid is totally free. Just go to www.breatheenglish.com.
Go now.
We'll see you there.
Go.
Do it.
Do it.